Good morning everyone. How are you all children? I hope you all are well. Very good. So student, this is your drawing period. Which period? Drawing period. And today we are going to make a boat. What we are going to make a boat with the help of pattern. With the help of pattern, we will make a boat. But before starting the topic, let's do the assembly work. Month of the year is August. August. Shape of the week is diamond. Diamond. Can you see this? Diamond. D-I-A-M-O-N-D. Diamond. Word of the week is examination. Examination. Color of the week is blue. B-L-U-E. Blue. Color of the week is blue. Fruit of the week is blueberry. Fruit of the week is blueberry. B-L-U-E-B-E-R-R-Y. Blueberry. Sentence of the week is all the best for examination. All the best for examination. Very good. So children, learn the assembly work. So student, for making the boat, you need pencil, scale, eraser, wax color and sketch color. Okay. And I am doing in A4 sheet, but you have to do this in your drawing file. आपको अपनी drawing file में इसको draw करना है. Okay student. And with neat and clean. First of all, children, border it with black sketch color. Border it, all of you. Very good. Now write down name, class and topic. Write down your name, class and topic. Topic is boat. B-O-A-T. boat. आज हम लोग बोट बनाना सीखेंगे with the help of patterns. Okay. So let's start. And children, please keep your file in proper place. Okay. And if you are doing in A4 sheet, so you have to keep your A4 sheet in a folder safely. Now let's do it. First you have to make the sleeping lines. Okay. आपको पहले sleeping line बनानी है. Like this. First you have to make a sleeping line like this. And then slanting line from both the side like this, and then again sleeping line like this. Okay. Sleeping line, slanting line, then again sleeping line, then a straight line in the middle like this, two straight line like this, then again sleeping line like this, sleeping line like this, then again from the right side also slanting line, then same sleeping line. like this. Okay, this is your boat. This is your boat. You can have this round circle for the designing and water here. So this is your boat with patterns. And which pattern you have learned? Straight line, sleeping line and slanting line. And this is the circle. Okay. Now you have to color it. First you can border it. I am bordering this with red sketch color. Any color you can do it. Like this. And for the down portion I am using black sketch. Like this. Done. Circle it with red color. Like this. And now do the wax color. Red color. Like this you have to color it. Okay, and now I am using brown color. Here brown color. Like this. And I am using green color here. So like this you have to color it, and please don't cross the border, children. Now you can make the water like this. Like this you can make it. Okay, and you can make the birds with the help of black sketch color. Like this. So this is your boat, and children, do make it in your drawing file, or if you are making in A4 sheet, so please keep this in proper folder. I hope you all have got this properly. So thank you class, and bye bye, and do your work on time. Click the picture of this and send it to your respective class teachers by 2 p.m. Till then, bye bye everyone.